back on the Grandmaster Troll Racing Channel show. As you can see, same spot as usual, Skyline Boulevard, San Mateo Road, Highway 35, pretty close to Alice's, but we're just enjoying everything. A lot of cars out here, so we're gonna walk around, we're gonna see what we have, we're gonna take some pictures, we're gonna create some content, we're gonna drive really fast, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna talk to some of the people. Let's see if we can find somebody to talk to or just check out some of the cars. This 350Z right here, looking real nice. Looking real nice. Let's take a look at this right here. Yeah, there's a look at the engine right there. In black. Looking real good. A couple of Alfa Romeos. Okay. This one looks pretty nice as well. We got one of my favorites right here. One of my favorites right here, the 370Z automatic. I may have to buy it from him. Then we got the Mustang right here. Liking the Mustang right here. Ooh, another automatic. We're bringing the automatics back. So you got to explain the whole MILF thing to me.
Oh, dude, you know what? Come on, if you got an S class, and I mean, 4 doors, more whores, right? That's what they say.
Yep. So
and you go with MILFs. The reason why is because they always have snacks. You know, they always have snacks for the kids. So you get a big girl, eat some snacks.
Pretty interesting right there.
That beautiful Corvette over here.
Yep. Okay, here at the AMG Turbo. Pretty fancy. Who's S2000? How you like it?
Good.
What's your favorite thing about the Honda S2000?
Driving experience. Yeah, the experience.
Okay. Any special mods?
Nothing on crazy on this one. That one down there is crazy.
It is the one without the bumper.
Yeah. This one is just.
You put the carbon fiber roof on it.
Yeah, just the roof, some ribs, and a lift.
Okay. He put a little tow hook on it. Took out the mesh. Put the carbon fiber hood on it because I hate rag tops, so he got some taste. He got some taste right there. I like that. Back to the Mustang. Automatic, so we're still killing the manuals. We got to kill the manuals. 2040, every car is gonna be an automatic. I said it here first. Then we got the Alfa Romeo right here. Okay, it looks like it's another automatic. But this car is looking real nice right here. This car looks nice. Walk over here, we got the Corvette. We got another Corvette owner in the house right here. Is it stock? Did you mod it up? Stock? Okay, so
no muffler, cats are gone, just an intake.
Okay. So he keeps it simple, just like me, but that's real nice. Rag top though. That's the only downfall, but that's a nice Corvette. You guys know I love Corvettes. Put the big wing on his car. He put the big APR wing on his car. He's got the rear diffuser right here. Dual tips. Okay. He's got the sponsors on it. Okay, not bad. I can't complain. But we're gonna enjoy some time. I'm gonna go ahead and take some pictures, try to get some glamour shots, and then the drive will begin. Hopefully I'll be able to get some content. I've been struggling with these vlogs. A camera will go down, something will break. I lose a camera, break a camera, and it stops all my momentum. But today, I got here early, we set up early. It should be a good day. I can even get the camera started, but we're gonna see if we can catch him at Alice's. I got somebody behind me. Oh, there we go. I got shit sliding in my truck. Driving like an old grandpa. So last time I did this, my 360 camera had fell off the back of the car. We're hoping it doesn't fall off this time. The first time it fell off, it was through the bottom of where the mount was, so the whole stick fell off. And then the other time I had the stick extended too long and the weight of the camera lifted off the suction mount, so I split the difference this time, took my time and put it on, so it should be good. Okay, a little tree was down right there, but it looks like they cleaned up these roads pretty good from all the rain. Pulling away from the sedan behind me. Okay. Okay. Going a little 80 miles per hour on these back roads. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. I know we won't catch the pack. They got about like a 5-minute head start. I had to set up my cameras like I said previously. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward to Alice's real quick. We made it to Alice's, so a lot of people, as you can see behind me, a lot of people behind me, a lot of cars, a lot of stuff to look at. We got Shy Guy 64 right there. We came across this Pantera right here. I think we saw, what, 2 Panteras today? Let's see if we can give you guys a look at it. There goes the Pantera in black. We got another Pantera. We got a yellow Pantera. So we done saw 3 Panteras today. We done saw 3 Panteras today. So I lost the pack already. I locked my keys in my car, and everybody took off on me. But there's some cars that caught from behind, so we're going to the next meat spot. I'm not too sure where it's at, but it's somewhere up here. See, what do we got behind me? I can't make out the headlights. park. I'm in everybody's way. Let me get out of everybody's way. So we made it to the spot. We got the nice view over here. Let me go over and walk over to the nice view over here so you guys can get a good look at it. So y'all can get a good look at the view. Maybe I'll take the drone out and fly. In fact, I gotta take the FPV drone and fly this over here. It looks too nice, but if I lose my drone flying over here, I'm not getting it back. There's no way I'm going down the hiking trail to go get it. But we're just over here chilling right now. Nice cars, nice views, good roads to drive on. What else could you ask for? So with an undisclosed location, I'm not quite sure where I'm at. But I just watched. Well, I didn't watch. I heard this Honda and another Honda S2000. What they like to do is they like to come up to the mountains, race through the mountains, make all kind of noise. So what my man Andy's gonna do, he's got the Honda CRX right here behind me. He's gonna drive his car through the canyons. I told him that don't kill me because you know I got a wife and kids and I want to make it home. I'm sorry, I'm not married, I have no kids, but I do want to make it home because I got to go to work and I want to enjoy my Corvette. But he's going to allow me to sit in the passenger seat and I'm going to fly the FPV drone. I'm going to see if I can chase his car. I'm going to try not to crash my drone. I done already crashed $1,000 drone. I cannot crash another $1,000 drone. So I got to dodge these wires and these branches. But we're going to see if we can make this happen. See if I can get some epic videos for you guys to watch on the channel, to watch on Instagram. So let's see what happens. Chasing the Honda CRX, and boy, I tell you, it's probably one of the most exciting, nerve-wracking, scariest things I ever done, because I didn't want to crash the drone. Then I wanted to keep up with the cars, but he didn't even go that fast. He went about 35 and sped up to 50. And every bump, uh-oh, we got some car. Look at this. See if I can show you guys this right here. We got a McLaren coming through. Got a McLaren that just came through. But every turn, every bump, every shift he made, I could feel it, and you get that vertigo feeling. I got motion sickness within 30 seconds into the flight. But I did my best to keep up. As you can see, I almost hit a couple of branches, almost hit a couple of cars, but I was able to keep up for a good almost a whole minute long, and that's all you need. All you need is that one good minute. The footage was dope stuff. I can't wait to go home and do the edit. Look at the footage, put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram. GMT Racing is back full in effect. May leave, I may hang out here for a little while. I was supposed to go to David City. They doing wheelies. They doing wheelies and stuff, and every time I miss, them. Every time they do a wheelie, I miss them. But where was I? The footage is gonna be dope to edit and put it on Instagram and YouTube. I can't wait. I may go to San Francisco. It all depends. It's getting late. This is supposed to be an all-day event. I really wanted to put some content up for you guys, and we may be able to do that as they're going to make another pass here.